Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Priya's English World. It's been 20 days. I couldn't upload any videos on my channel. I hope that you people thought what happened to Priya? Why didn't she post any videos on her channel? Yes, of course, it happens in our life, right? We need some breaks. We need some breaks, especially that breaks only teach you a lot of things regarding your lifestyle. So why I disappeared and what are the things that I come up with for you on this particular video, especially it would be informative. So you people know that I started this channel to learn English. After 2 years, I started to teach English to beginners and I started to take some classes for people on one-on-one mode. So it's been my journey and this is how it started and this is how it's going. And why I took 20 days gap? It's been 3 weeks. Why? Because I shifted a new home. You people know that I lived in a single rent home for my higher education and finally the 1 year almost over and now I shifted to another rent home. It's like a beautiful home. I literally loved it. I like this room a lot and I shifted it. At the same time my examinations were there, so I was literally busy with my semester examinations. So that's the reason I couldn't give my full attention and give my focus towards my channel and YouTube as well. And today in this video, I come up with some shift, like some change with a lot of determination, from my bottom of my heart. What's that? And you people know that I have one more year on my hands. So I have one more year, okay? And this year I have to reshape my life. I have to rebuild my life as well. I have to elevate my English, enrich my vocabulary, especially I would like to attain my advanced speaking level. So it takes some time. It doesn't happen within a single day or single night. We people know that. So today I would like to convey one important informative thing, which is nothing but hereafter I'm going to post videos, especially videos related to natural vlogs, raw English vlogs. How am I learning English? What are the things that I'm following in day-to-day life to learn English, to practice English, to whom I'm practicing. So I don't have any partners. So you have lots of questions, right? So for those questions, my vlogs will be the best solution and best answer for you. So you'll get raw English vlogs. Through that vlog, I can show you how I am just building myself and what are the books that I'm going to read. I stopped my reading habit as well. So after I'm going to restart everything. And you people know one thing. For past 20 days, I couldn't make videos. I couldn't speak a lot in English. So after a gap, if I start to speak in English, right now I have the confidence. The confidence level that doesn't change, but the fluency, the habituation, the mouth jaw lines, the words, it literally decrease. But I won't feel like that, but it happens for everyone. It's natural. So for that, I would like to share another important thing, and it's my suggestion as well. If you start to learn any skill, any new skills when it comes to communication, first foremost important, you have to maintain consistency. But life is not always smooth for her, for us, right? It changes, right? According to that, we have to change ourselves, change our lifestyle as well. So you don't worry, hereafter I'm there to you, to guide you, to improve your English, and you are going to learn from me, I'm going to learn from you. We are going to learn together and grow together, because I started this channel as a student and still now I'm being a student. At the same time, I started to take classes for beginners. So it's a great improvement for me. Somehow I manage everything. I have another desire in my heart. I have to reach my advanced level, to train students, to take classes to all the people, even for IT professionals like software people, and I would like to become a soft skills trainer as well. So for that, we know communication skills plays a vital role. And one more thing, during this communication skills kind of video, I'm going to teach you the non-verbal communication as well as verbal communication. So we need to learn lots of things are there, because nowadays we people only concentrating on fluency, right? Fluency is a myth. Apart from fluency, we have lots of things to learn. So I'll clarify everything to you. No need to worry about it. I'll teach you step by step. So this is the one thing I would like to share. Another informative video is nothing but I'm going to create a separate playlist especially for students. Many students are there, right? On my channel, I'm only focusing on spoken English, fluency, application, some tips and tricks in order to improve English fluency. How long am I going to do the same kind of videos? How long am I going to give a same kind of tips? You people know that if you want to attain fluency, you need to listen a lot, practice a lot, read, write. So you people know that you have to surround yourself with English environment. You have to immerse yourself with English environment. So you people know all the tips and tricks. The problem here is you don't know how to apply those tips into your real life, in day-to-day daily life. So instead of giving tips, yes, I can make solo videos as well, sit and talk videos on alternative days, but my main focus is going to be a natural English, day-to-day life, day-to-day daily life English. You are going to learn English from my English journey, from my daily routine. What are the things? Everything would be suspense. I don't want to let the cat out of the bag, and I don't want to spill the beans as well. You can see in my upcoming videos. I'm just little sweltering here because you people know that of May, it's end of the May, so it's very hot here. Somehow I managed to take this video because I want to give a comeback. So if you are the person, if you are a student, if you are a homemaker, if you are the person who wants to learn English, who wants to rebuild your life, wants to improve your life, you can just take this challenge with me. You can follow my videos, and please do subscribe if you have not subscribed to my channel. And in case if you like my video, just give it a like button and share it with your friends, because these are the things which literally inspire me to upload more videos for you. And one more thing, you are not only going to learn English from my videos hereafter, you are going to learn English. Simultaneously, you are going to upgrade your life, reading habit, journaling, healthy foods, healthy life, physically, like healthy lifestyle, good habits, discipline. So many things are there because I only have one more year on my hand. If I waste this year, I'm the loser. If I use this year, if I utilize it in a wise way, definitely I'm going to attain. Definitely I'm going to achieve all the dreams that I have learned, I've dreamt, right? So that's the reason I don't want to be a failure, so I don't want to waste the time as well. So if you are the person, if you are very serious to upgrade your life, to improve your English fluency, everything at all, just join with me. This is all about the video. I'll come up with another interesting video very soon. Till then, you take care. Thank you so much. So I'm so happy to speak on this video after a long gap. Take care, guys. Bye bye.